Rising Suns took full advantage of that stupor that Smart Maynilad was in. It was actually mga nakuha puntos ng Smart. Abilidad eh.
Yes.
Yung adlib eh. Merong adlib na mga puntos na na-scorean sila eh. Now Roger Gorayab is all over his team. Talking position really. Talagang volleyball is position. Kasi yung skill sa practice ginagawa yan eh. Sa game, it's position eh. Where are you when the ball arrives? Valdez relay. Eulalio is there to do just that. Sultanes got that connected.
Tabaquero. Good cover. Maizo. Valdez was there.
This could take a while.
Oh!
Again. And Charo Soriano frustrated. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Well, again, Smart having woes there in the back. Medyo, their communication ngayon, medyo may breakdown.
Sultanes.
Wow,
that was still picked up. Akala ko nakaputos na rin si Sultanes eh. Ruby, smartly exhibited. 10 magaling si Ruby Dela. In the meantime, ito na, bilis na, tabla na.
Well, some top scorers there for Cagayan. Tipachot, of course, with 7. Soraya with 3. And for Smart, it's Valdez with 5 and Cassini with 4.
Dinikdik.
The blockers, medyo slow to react in today's game.
Wala pa si Cassini dyan, no?
Nasa back pa.
Kaya nandiyan ang libero eh.
Eulalio. That's a better reception.
When Gohing is in front of the ball, she usually gets it eh.
Yes.
Pag hindi sa harap niya, she has problems. And again, Sultanes always reads that well. Whether it's in or out, no? In our last game, she had the ball in the baseline. She handled that well. Read it, that swooped us out. Official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League is Axel. Charo Soriano serve at 3-3. Thought she'd go to Soriano. Inside.
Easy does it, Parang, okay, I'll go up, I'll hit it.
Points are coming really slowly in this afternoon's set of games, and because they're being fought for so fiercely.
No, kumbaga sa movie, may pagka-dragging.
Yes. The meantime, but it's the fighting for the points that matters. In the meantime, De Leon goes the other direction. Sultanes nahuli.
That's right, pero blocking again, working for Cagayan. I saw Gohing. Did you see her? She was telling her teammates, leave it to me. Leave it to me. Huwag kayo manggulo.
Para siyang shortstop sa baseball. Nasa ready position lagi. The Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Roses.
Nice one for Roses. I was talking to Coach Mac earlier. We're saying Roses should be also an option. Medyo so far ngayon, they're not giving it too much to Roses.
Hindi ko nakikita yung runner niya.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Mas binibigyan pa siya when she's in the open hitter spot.
Pick up pa, no? That's a lot of juice and a little too much for the party.
Yeah, but we kept saying yung palo ni Tabaquero, wala eh. That's not that palo that we were waiting for.
That's not the Tabaquero special. 5-5. Sultanes.
That goes in the net.
Can't do anything about that. And if you're a coach, can't say you were in the wrong position. You're just corrected in practice tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng lundag ni Valdez talaga.
Yeah. Pang-poster. Tsaka pang-poster yung Foreman eh.
Spider-Man. Watch this. Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Yeah. Poster.
Diba?
Parang kita mo pag tumas ko may flash, bawal ng flash dito yun eh. Diba? Soraya, Tabaquero. That's a special. 1:1 correspondence sa geometry.
That's right. Stat 1 here and stat 1 there. You can hear the people behind us, bawi.
Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's really. And that's the way it should be played. Bawi-bawi. Runner. Oh, Cassini, look at that. All business. So sinong babaeng ito, no? May dating.
Oh, good reception there.
Ang ganda ng setup. Huli lang si Valdez. Magkagulo kayo riyan. Maizo. Iliolalio. Valdez.
Yes.
Akala kasi nagkagayan patay na eh.
Oo.